You searched how to buy shares of Torrid Holdings Inc. Torrid is a specialty retailer of plus-size women's apparel operating stores and an online business, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CURV. This short guide is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy CURV, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CURV to find Torrid Holdings Inc. Select the result that matches the NASDAQ listing to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information, the price chart, and recent trading data. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ ticker CURV to make sure you are on the right page. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your Torrid position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.